Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. I'm on my way towards Ikea, the Navi Mumbai one. So the exact location of Navi Mumbai Ikea is in Turbe, which is super close to Nerul. It was my first time visiting Ikea. Like before this, I've ordered online, but I've never went to the physical store, so I was excited. I'm wearing this cute dress which I brought from Goa. This place had like literally so much stuff of Christmas and it was so well decorated. It was so beautiful. I fell in love with this mirror as soon as I saw it. I mean, it's so perfect, especially in black color. It's amazing. But then I checked its price. It was a little pricey, but yeah, I loved this mirror. I love plants, and this wall hanging thing was so beautiful. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm getting this. So basically, I was buying stuff for the room in which I'm going to shoot content, and the colors here were so beautiful. There's literally so much stuff to take. I'm so confused what all to take because everything is like really
कसं सामान सगळं
It was super hard to stop shopping because everything was so beautiful, but I took only few things and I was here searching for my stuff. So you basically have to note down the numbers and come to the warehouse and pick up your stuff. After that, I went for self check-in. So I was self checking all the stuff I've brought and I paid for it right here without anyone's help. And then I went towards the luggage system, like I wanted the delivery. These are the delivery service if you want to check out, and the process was super quick. I packed some of the stuff in this wrap and pack your items, and then I was done. I had a pretty good shopping experience and I can't wait to come back because all the things are super amazing. It's just the prices are a little higher, but IKEA has great home furnishing stuff. So I was getting super late for my spa appointment. So I was rushing from IKEA towards Seawoods Grand Central Mall, which is in Seawoods. So I decided to take my mom for a spa session because why not? So I went to this Bodhi luxury spa, which was really amazing. It was my first time here and I loved the experience. So if you're in the Seawoods Mall, you can definitely check it. It was an amazing experience. So the IKEA stuff was delivered in 3-4 days, and me and my dad were fixing everything according to the instructions, and it was not that difficult, so we were able to do it within an hour or something. And here is everything. So So this is the room where I'll be shooting my content. So I was thinking to buy some stuff from IKEA, and this is a coat hanger. Like you can also hang like purse, handbags or everything. You can hang some dresses or clothes here. And I'm excited about this spa section because it looks amazing. Then this is my vision board. I have not hung all the pictures over here, but I'm soon going to do it. But I love this idea of sticking pictures, and there are some pots and trays. So the mirror is also from IKEA, but I got it home delivered a few months before. So I'm really excited to just redecorate my room into this new room, which I'll be sharing pretty soon in next video. Like, comment down below if you guys want a makeover of my room, and I'll love to shoot it and show it to y'all. This is just like starting of upgrading my room, and soon I'm going to do it like into a really pretty place. So that's it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video.